interest BS.
All is quiet. All is still.
Current billings like
Mother doesn't act. Doesn't at
I really don't understand this at all.
Windows still.
So even though I sent them a payment
The mother
and
dozes
completely
at
paid it
the
off,
In other words, she fell asleep at the whistle dozes.
And the windows.
they got that payment February 16th and completely paid it off.
Nothing green.
Somehow or another, I get $32.30 interest.
Not a breeze.
I'm trying to, these are so confusing.
Probably tired.
I'm trying to figure out okay, the closing date. Okay, so they're giving me interest on this up until between January 26th and February 16th. And Big Fish Games is going down.
Only babies wide awake. Only babies wide awake.
Yeah.
Only babies wide awake. Because I could write it down. Now you read it, Daddy.
I'll be on hold for like 4 hours.
Daddy, can you read it?
Oh, this is free.
Daddy, can you read? Daddy, can you read?